Welcome to the company presentation at Commodity TV. We want to talk today about Metallic Minerals. Metallic Minerals is a Canadian exploration company working and exploring the large and highly prospective land position in the Keno Hill Silver District in the Yukon Territory. The history of discovery in the district showed over 200 million ounces of high-grade silver production from 40 mines so far. It is located adjacent to Alexco Resource Corp's Keno Hill operations, one of the world's highest grade silver resources, and in productive mineralized trends and preferred host rocks continue onto Metallic Minerals holdings, with historic production from 7 mines, including 4 with average recovered grades above 5,000 grams silver per ton. Metallic consolidated the historically underexplored due to fragmented private land ownership land area, now which has an excellent infrastructure with a regional mill, existing highway, deep sea port and grid power available. Board and management have a great track record of exploration success and capital markets experience, and the project sits in a low-risk jurisdiction, is well funded with tightly held share structure, including 25% insider ownership. The company has issued and outstanding around 37.2 million shares, 3.4 million options and 30.2 million warrants, which are all in the money through an exercise price of 10 cents. Fully diluted has the company approximately 70.8 million shares outstanding and a market cap of $15 million on an undiluted basis. Cash stands at $2 million and the company can expect another $3 million through the warrant exercises. The stock is listed on the TSX Venture under the symbol MMG and at the OTC under the symbol MMNGF. Let's start with the 100% owned Keno Lightning project. It has existing road access along the Yukon Highway 11 and 2, which are connecting to the deep sea port facilities in Skagway, Alaska. Grid power is available from the Yukon Energy Corp hydro facility on Mayo River, and the project is in traditional territory of the Nacho-Neak Dun First Nation, who have comprehensive cooperation and benefits agreements in place on mining projects in the region. Nearby communities are Keno City and Mayo. It is the second largest land position in the Keno Hill district with 112.5 square kilometers, covering the eastern portion of the district. The Keno Hill style high-grade silver veins occur along persistent parallel structural trends, forming major ore shoots in 3 main host rocks with a typical mineralization of 1 to 10 meters in width, grading from 200 grams to over 5,000 grams per ton silver with associated lead and zinc sulfides. The largest individual deposits in the district range from 10 million to 100 million ounces of contained silver. The Keno Hill grades are amongst the highest silver grades in the world. For 2017, identified Metallic Minerals 12 priority target areas for follow-up. The trenching showed excellent results like 3.3 meters with 2,332 grams of silver, 1.38 grams gold, 8.5% lead and 1.1% zinc, and 2 meters with 2,953 grams silver, over 1 gram gold per ton and 8.11% lead, both at Caribou Hill. Diamond drilling with 9 holes at Caribou Hill returned significant intervals with above the 300 gram silver per ton mark, like 1.4 meters with 1,700 grams silver almost from 15.5 meters, or half a meter with almost 1,800 grams silver and 2.3 grams gold from 22.9 meters onwards. Next steps in 2017 will be exploration on the eastern end of the district, and after completion a SkyTEM airborne geophysical survey with 1,460 line kilometers. Now they will work on the more than 40 identified structures in favorable orientations within preferred host rocks, including near high-grade historic producing deposits. Underway is a systematic data compilation to about the more than 100 years of prospecting, mining and exploration work in the district, which is a rich opportunity for data mining with modern exploration tools. Currently, they are compiling the data from drilling, trenching and channel sampling along with existing soil and rock sampling, which will be used to refine and prioritize targets for testing in 2017. The second property is the MCKAY Hill property 50 kilometers north of the Keno Hill Silver Camp, consisting of 129 claims covering 30 square kilometers. It is highly prospective for silver-gold targets which have been identified, and historic high-grade underground silver and gold production occurred. The property is adjacent to the northwest portion of ATEC Resources' Rakla gold project. Recent sampling in the snowdrift showed top results like 668 grams silver, 15.6 grams gold per ton, 2.4% lead, almost 1% zinc and 3.9% copper, or also 646 grams silver per ton, 16.8 grams gold, 27% lead and 0.14% zinc and 0.64% copper, both in grab samples. A data compilation and targeting is underway too. Metallic Minerals is a great exploration chance in a top location and jurisdiction, and the fantastic team around CEO Greg Johnson shall be able to develop this much further for the benefit of their shareholders. One last word on silver, ladies and gentlemen. The mine supply is plus 10% since 2006, but total supply is falling since 2010. And recycling has fallen 45% from the 2011 peak. Thomson Reuters GFMS projects a 52 million ounce physical deficit in 2016 and a 186 million ounces total deficit of supply versus demand. We saw 14% growth in total silver demand since 2006 and a 38% growth in investment and coins since 2006 too. Most important is now the photovoltaic space for solar panels use, where we see projected to continue growth in the next decade worldwide. That's good news for the longer-term silver price and all companies working in the silver space, of course. Thanks for watching us. Check out the company. Bye-bye from Munich.